Real-time photo description of hydraulic machinery production site. Anatomically display internal welding structure of the press machine.
We can take a look. There is a collapsed machine frame here. Do you usually not see what the top of a machine for making a hydraulic station looks like? But this kind of fallen machine, you can see the structure inside. This is a structure at the top, where we place the hydraulic station set. Since they have all been put down, let's take a look at what the bottom looks like. This is our bottom. You can see that there are also many reinforcing ribs at the bottom, and the thickness of the board is already 8 cm. This is the appearance of the entire bottom, and what people usually see may be us. The finished product has no chance of seeing this primitive skeleton. This is the oil cylinder that we haven't installed yet. You can take a look. This is our most authentic scene. We have already shown everyone the overall structure of the factory, including the 8-meter long cold press machine that has already been made. You can also take a look at the side of the machine, as you can see the complete top and bottom from the front. Now we have finished the on-site inspection of our workshop. If you want to know about the entire production process of cold and hot press machines, you can leave us a message. We can talk about the next production process in the next issue. And that's all for today.
The workbench is precision processed by a large milling machine, ensuring high flatness of separate products. Customers can choose appropriate pressure models within the pressure range of 2 to 1000 T for better compression quality. The lifting speed of the pressure plate is 1 minute, with fast speed and high efficiency. Equipped with timing control, adjust the pressing cam according to the production process, and the pressure plate will automatically rise when the time comes. The customer requested our customized hydraulic press, and through the hard work of our skilled workers, it has finally been completed and can be shipped. Watch our forklift master skillfully place the hydraulic press onto the vehicle. The next step is to hand over to the customer. We hope our machines can help the customer earn a lot of money.